most important things to think about when shading pixel art are the object's shape, material, and the light source. First, consider where the light sources are coming from in your piece. If you're a beginner, I would recommend starting with just one light source and not overcomplicating things. Many beginners make the mistake of pillow shading, which is where the light source appears to be between the object and the viewer. After deciding on a direction for the light source, you can start putting down colours on your object. If you're drawing an unusual shape or material, it's a good idea to research references to see how they might react to light. For the apple, I found that it appeared to have a waxy, shiny surface. The shape of the apple is almost spherical, so a lot of the light is reflected from the top and side facing the light source. Using the lighter colours in the palette, I'm going to tentatively map out some spots of lighting at the top of the apple. Don't be afraid to experiment and put some pixels down to try things out. They can always be deleted or coloured over later. I also noticed that there was some light that bounced across the top of the apple near the stem, so I used the slightly less bright shade to detail that part. Repeat this process with the darker colours for the object's shadow. Remember to bear in mind the shape of your object and how it would behave under a light source. In the case of the apple, that means the shading is unlikely to conform to the outline. It's more likely to behave like a sphere with a large, almost circular section of shadow. In the next video, we'll look at anti-aliasing and dithering. Thanks for watching.